on flows, fans will spin. Flip the switch, let cool begin. Troubles fade with just a grin. Big chill, fix it up, we've got the skill. Big chill, fix it up, we've got the skill.
Pull the disconnect. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Wires look like junk. That purple one, hell, it's gone. God dang. That terminal is just... It's not even ohming out good. 45, 30, yeah, compressor's bad. They're so rusted, and I'm not getting any kind of good reading between them. So, unfortunately, that's where we're at with this one. BAD, bad. 1995. Well, it's lived its life. So, unfortunately, nothing else we can do with this one. Let me see if I can't get a little bit closer up on the... If you can see the terminals in there. This one's just completely gone. There's nothing even there to connect back to. So, I would say this thing had a good run though. So we'll get the customer quoted on what they want to do, and we'll go from there. So I guess it was a quick, easy one on this one. If you have any questions on what I did, or if you do something different, just leave a comment down below. If not, we'll see you guys on the next one.